Today we're going to work our abs upside down in a headstand. This is a great way to gain strength and gain flexibility and gain confidence while you're upside down. I'm Nora Day. Okay, let's come on down to our headstand. So my little trick of headstand, I have my hands together and I put my little pinky finger out. I feel like that's an extra little base for me. That little bit helps me. So we might be up here for a little bit. So you want the best base and foundation that you have. Take your hands down. Remember, you don't want your elbows too wide or you're going to dump in the center. That's not good. No dumping in the center. You want to keep those elbows in. Crown of the head on the mat. Back of my head is touching my hands. Crown of the head on the mat. See, I'm already leaning in a little bit. Once you lift up off your knees, notice how I'm not dumping. I'm lifting out of my elbows. If you have the mobility and flexibility, come up with 2 feet together. Extension through the legs right away. Right now I'm in extension. Extension as you come up. There's no rush ever to come up. My foundation is strong and solid. So ideally, if that's the case, you can do whatever you need to do on top. So we're going to do little exercises here. Bend the knees in. No rush. Tap your toes. Straight legs back up. Extension, 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 extension. Take your time. This is not a race. Once you come to your top point, bend the knees again. Tap your toes. I'm already in extension in the legs. Come back up. This time when you find your top, bend both knees. Separate those knees as you bend the knees. Come back up. This is all my core holding that foundation in place. Other side, bend both knees. Different knee behind, different knee in front. And come back up. Bend one knee to your chest. As you do this, act like you could take the other leg overhead. Again, my core is holding it all together. Both legs back up. Bend the other knee to your chest. We're balancing out our sides. Act like the long leg can go way over. Come back up. Both legs up. Both legs straight this time. Tap the mat. Keep both legs straight, only tap. Use your ab muscles to pick your long legs back up. Straight legs, extension. Keep those legs straight, coming down slow. I want you to come to a pike position that's halfway and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap your feet. Take a step back on the mat with your feet. Come to your knees. Relax in a child's pose. Take an inhale Inhale. Fantastic, you guys. This builds so much strength and it gets you confident and you feel so comfortable upside down. Try my little abs upside down. I'll see you all next time. Bye.